In this video, I'm going to show you how to get durian in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So durian is basically one of the new fruits that just been added with the new update, and this over here, this tree, is basically what it looks like. It currently isn't growing, so I can't really show you what the fruit looks like, but maybe at the end of this video, I'm gonna be able to show you this as well. Now, basically, how to get this, it's actually quite simple. You just have to get a bit lucky, but it's completely free and very easy. So just go over here to the middle. There's now a new event, I think it's called. Now, there's this hungry or angry plant, however you want to call it, and you basically want to feed it whatever it says. So, for example, for me, right now it wants a daffodil that's at least 0.22 kilograms. What you have to do is get what it requests, so it can be a daffodil, tomato, maybe strawberry, blueberry, whatever it is, and then you want to put it inside your hand, just like that, and then just click on take this plant. Now, after you do this, you will basically get a seed pack. Now, you will get this normal seed pack over here, so this basic one, and after you get the basic seed pack, let me just open this, there we go. One of the things you can get in here is a durian. As you can see on the third place, that's durian. Of course, it's not as common as raspberry and cranberry. However, it's still very obtainable and quite easy to get. So just keep on feeding it to the beast over here in the middle, and then eventually you'll be able to get your durian. Now, let's see if any had grown yet. In case they haven't, no problem, there we go. Oh, no, it's no. Okay, no biggie. So basically, you're going to be able to see it. This is the tree, and then you can just harvest it, and I think it sells for quite good money. So that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.